Love don't cost a
Hello?
thing.
Hi,
Love
Aisha.
is a beautiful thing.
Aisha.
What happened? What happened? I've been calling, but you refuse to check my call like that first time that I started calling you. What is going on? Make a parua, you no longer like me or what? What did I do? I do something bad or something wrong to do that. You refuse to contact my call.
Aisha mo. My tama mo. My tama.
You say Matana, but you treat me as if I'm a slave. You don't treat me as if I'm your Matana.
Aisha, you will not understand. You will not understand. I don't know how to explain this thing to you.
You talk to me. You talk to me, but when you not you lock me out, you put me for shadow, and my heart will be sick. If you talk to me, I understand. If you talk,
Aisha, I don't want you to feel bad. That is why I've not talked to you about it now.
no, but I am feeling bad. Your silence, she's killing me. Wallahi. You talk to me so that I feel strong. You know I like you, Odego Bobo. Come on, I tell you, I like you.
I like you too.
I like you too. You don't. So what is it? Why she's saying she's you? You don't take my call since how many days?
Aisha, it's not like I don't want to take your call. I'm thinking about this our relationship. It's like it will not work. Oh, it's like it will not work.
Please don't say this. You will make my heart cut. My heart will cut. I will die. You don't say what? Why? Where is this come from? What happened? I do something bad.
No, it's not you did anything bad. You know, Aisha, I don't know, but
what is it? Talk to me, mana.
You know, there is the kind of woman I used to like. You know, I like it. I like thick women. You know, I like women that have flesh. I'm not saying you don't have flesh, so you know, some people.
I have flesh, mana.
But you have one layer. You have one layer of flesh. I want women that have like 10 layers of flesh. You know, you know, if you look at their chest will pump. I like blessing. I'm not saying that your blessing is not okay. Understand me. Understand?
Me, I don't understand what you are saying. You say 2 layer, you say 1 layer. Make me understand, man. What I do, I don't understand you.
You are too slim for me. You are too slim for me. I can be tano. You are too slim for me, and the thing on your chest is not too proud enough for me. I want prominent things in your chest. You get it? I want prominent things in your chest. What I go? So I'm not saying that.
That is problem. That is problem between us. That problem she want to come between us. You say
Aisha.
No. Okay.
Where are you?
Nah, that Kina.
One young worker also. This is brother.
Who is this person you are talking to?
She's But
Sham told you not to be talking to this person. Well, it's not my problem. This thing that it's for the uncle.
Uncle, okay, the Asheri.
Yes.
Uncle.
Yeah.
Hi.
If you want, it's not possible.
Now go there. I've heard you. What will I do with this money, I have what did you, Uncle? Abba she give me money. Naji, how much is this, ma? 200,000 or more than? She's more than 200,000.
Aisha.
What will I do with this money, my husband? Oh, Odebo. I am hearing you. So you said that what come between you and me, Kuma, is because I don't have body, my flesh is small. So that is why you don't like me, Ko? That is why you refuse to take all my calls I've been calling
don't
you.
Mind me.
Because of my body.
Don't mind me.
When you want to like somebody, it's only because of the body that you want to like the person.
In short, Aisha, I like you the way you are. Don't mind me. I like you the way you are. I like you the way you are. I was just pulling your legs. I like slim girls.
You were just joking.
Yes.
You were just joking.
Yes.
So why you not take my call? 2 days why you not take
Don't mind me. Don't mind. I like slim girls. Slim girls will see. You know, anyhow you want it, they'll give it to you. Slim girls, you know, that model. you are my what in the Lego. You are my model. I like you the way you. Can you gonna learn, man? What am I doing with bless? Abomo. People that need blessed are babies now. Oh, baby, I don't need blessed now. I'm a mature man. I like you the way, even if you have fat chest. I like you the way you are. Don't mind me. My model.
You don't joke. Now you will be taking my call anytime I call you.
Yes, we are okay. I love you the way you are. Don't mind me.
Thank you very much. I like you too. So yes, I will go go and do something for my Abba, I will want to go and
wait, Aisha, wait now. That money that you say you don't know what to do with it. I know what to do with it though. In case you don't mind, I know what to do with it. You can give it to me now.
This is why you want to. This is why you do lap. You bring your pets normal. You want to talk to me normal. Go.
No, I love you the way you are. I love you. It's not of the money.
Because
I
of
love
money.
You. No.
Because of money.
No, I love you the way you are.
It is only money that you. It is only money you think. Only money you talk every time.
I love you the way you are now. I just say you don't know what to do with the money. Me, I know what to do with the money. That is just it.
Kai, Oni, I don't know more what to do with you. Every time you make me laugh.
Aisha,
I know say you love me and I love you too. I'm gonna just help me. Go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, search for Yam Baba Comedian. Click on subscribe, it's free. Biko, click on that bell too, and so that you get notification whenever I post. I love you too. Biko, no, Jebese, go. Biko, you, go. We are begging you, please go.